Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we are going to talk about connecting data from different sources into Power BI Desktop. This includes understanding different types of data sources, how to bring them into Power BI Desktop, and then demonstrating the process of connecting a CSV file. Let's begin by understanding the various data sources Power BI can connect to. Power BI allows you to connect to a wide range of data types, which is a key feature that makes it so versatile. Now, to see all these data source options, click on Get Data button in the Home ribbon and then click on More. You can pull data from files like Excel, CSV, text files, PDFs, or even XML and JSON. You can also connect it to various databases such as SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle database, which is really useful when you're dealing with large datasets that need to be accessed regularly. On top of that, you can also connect to online services like Google Analytics, SharePoint, or Salesforce. This wide array of connection options really enhances Power BI's ability to handle diverse data types in one unified platform. This large list of options displayed are categorized by files, databases, Power Platform, Azure, online services, and more. This really highlights the flexibility of Power BI, letting you pull data from virtually anywhere. The beauty of Power BI is that you can analyze and visualize the data together, giving you a complete picture of your business. Now, let's move on to how to actually connect these data sources in Power BI. For example, if we want to bring in a CSV file, there are two ways to do it. First, we can click on Get Data button in the Home ribbon, select CSV, and browse to find the file. Second method is click on Get Data button, click on More, and then choose Text or CSV. Alternatively, after clicking Get Data and clicking on More, we have a search option here. In here, we can type CSV to find the option. Let's now dive into a practical example by connecting a CSV file. In this case, we will use the Maven Market Customers CSV file. To do this, click on Get Data, select CSV, and browse your system to find the Maven Market Customer CSV file. Once selected, Power BI will load a preview so you can make sure that it's the right file you wanted to work with. Once you select the file, you can either load the data directly into Power BI Desktop or choose to transform data, which takes you to the Power BI Query Editor. This editor allows you to clean and transform your data before loading it into Power BI. For example, you can remove unnecessary columns, filter rows, or make other adjustments to ensure your data is ready for analysis. After confirming the file, click on Load. Once the data is loaded, it will appear in the data view, ready for you to start creating visualizations, exploring insights, or even combining it with other data sources for deeper analysis. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.